folks. So today I'm going to be doing a gummy challenge.
Yeah, so pretty much the gummy challenge is she's going to say a tongue twister. If she gets it wrong, then she has to hurry up and build the Lunchable candy. You'll see it right below the picture. And she has 15 seconds to hurry up and build it. But that's only if she gets it wrong. So she has 10 seconds to hurry up with the tongue twister. If you say it wrong, then you have 15 seconds to build the Lunchable. Let's get into it.
Okay guys, we're going to be building this. Lunchables.
Okay, and now the first challenge, so this is the first tongue twister you have to read, the Peter Piper one. So I'm going to start the clock. Remember, you have 10 seconds to read it and get through it. If you don't, then you have to do the gummy. And go.
Peter Piper picked a pepper Peter Piper picked a peck of peppers. A peck of peppers. Peter Piper picked Peter Piper picked a
And 10 seconds up. Let's build. You ready to start building?
Okay.
Okay, so now you're going to be given 15 seconds, alright? To start building. You ready? You're going to start the clock. Remember, you got 15 seconds to hurry and build. So get your fingers ready, and we're going to, the camera's going to show building. And go. Nine seconds. Maybe we should have gave you more time because you're not doing it. Come on. Oh, no.
Kind of finished.
You're halfway finished, but was it done? Nope, leave it. Leave it. Now you have to eat this. Oh, gosh, I just licked some of it. It tastes nasty. Go ahead. No, you're not giving it time to eat it. You just got to eat it. Oh my gosh.
1 hour later.
It's like blood on my hand.
It's not blood. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, let's continue. Now the next one, I see your hands are messy, but yeah, this part of the challenge is fun. Okay, so you got 10 seconds to say this one. Use your other hand. Okay, you ready? And you're going to read it. Remember, within 10 seconds and go.
I wish to watch my iris witch watch.
Alright, awesome. Now let's read the next one. You passed that one. Okay. If you do this one, then we will wash your hands so you can be clean.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready? 10 seconds, remember, on the clock, and go.
If Pickport's Packers picked a pack of crisps, with the pack of crisps that packed
3 seconds.
survived in 2.5 years.
Oh, nice. Oh, that was weird. Wait, did you read everything right? Okay, alright. Let's see if you got this one. The Luke's Duck Likes Lakes. You ready? 10 seconds on the clock. And go.
Luke's Ducks likes lakes. Luke licks lakes. Luke's Ducks likes lakes. Duck steaks. Luke's in the Luke's lakes. Luke likes
Get ready to build again. Remember, you got 15 seconds to hurry up and build it. You can make it whatever we want with this.
A top ready?
And go. 15 seconds on the clock.
Alrighty. Pepperoni? What's cheese?
4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh no!
Oh no!
Taco?
Oh, you built it. All right. Okay, so you made it. You made it just in the nick of time. So you know what? You could put that one over there since you didn't have to. You don't have to eat it because you actually completed in time.
Yeah.
But we do have some more. Ready for the next one?
What's the next one?
Okay. This one's harder. So this one's a little longer, so we're going to give you 20 seconds on the clock. We'll give you an extra 5 seconds.
20 seconds.
Oh, yeah, but this is a classic one. You ready? Hang on. And 20 seconds on the clock and go.
How much wood could Chuck's woodchuck chuck if Chuck's
15 seconds.
woodchuck could if woodchuck would if Chuck Wood's woodchuck could in wood Chuck Wood.
5 seconds.
How many wood in Chuck Wood's Chuck Wood? Chuck Wood?
So bad. It's supposed to be how much wood could a woodchuck chuck would if a could chuck or woodchuck would if could chuck was chuck and wood chuck wood, how much could wood could chuck? Oh gosh, I haven't done it in a long time, man. Well, you get it. You were supposed to get it. So you have the one that you decorated. Now you have to put that in your mouth.
Taco.
Come on, taco in your mouth.
Wait.
Gummy.
Do I have a timer?
No, you don't have a timer. You just have to eat that.
Taco. Look.
Keep them all in, and now you have to say the next line with that in your mouth.
No.
Yep, it gets harder.
Stretchy.
Ready? This one is called Mary Mac. This is an old one.
Mary Mac.
Mary, yep. You ready? Okay, guys. Got 15 seconds back on the clock. Remember, it's not a long one, so this is good. Here you go. And start.
Mary Mac's mother making Mary Mac marry me. My mother's making me marry Mary Mac.
9 seconds.
Will I always be so merry when Mary's taking care of me?
3 seconds.
Will I always be merry when Mary Mac?
You gotta build another one.
No.
No, actually no. Stuff goes. Now you have to build another one. You
So,
have to build another new one.
taco.
You gotta build another taco. It's a pizza.
Piece of taco.
Come on, build another one.
Okay.
All right. So now remember, you got no. You got. How long you got?
15 seconds.
Oh, to build it? Yeah. Let's start and go.
Oh my god.
14.
Mm.
10 seconds.
Oh my god.
4, 3, 2, 1.
No.
Okay, you got it.
With some sauce this time.
Okay, that was good. That
Yes,
was good.
sauce on it, guys.
That was good. All right, guys. I think we only have one more duck left. You're not supposed to eat it yet. I have another one. This is a long one, so I'm gonna give you 20 seconds for this again.
Oh no. It's falling apart.
You ready? This one's is this the last one?
Yeah. Is it?
No.
No.
Why did you do that? Oh my god. You ready? Alright, so wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? Stop that! More left to do. You've already built it, so now you have to read this one. You ready? You've got.
Wait.
Come on. You ready?
It's stuck to my hand.
It's alright, get it off. Okay, you ready? This is the last one. And 10 seconds on the clock and go.
While we were walking, we were watching window washers and Washington windows with warm washing water.
I guess there's another one. Oh, no. Here you go. This time you got 5 seconds. This is the last one. Ready? And go.
The ruddy window wants ripe watermelon ray roses went to the right.
Right. Next one means you have to eat the last gummy you have. Eat it. You got.
Oh my god.
All right. Since you've already built it, you need to actually. We're gonna switch it up. You have 15 seconds to hurry up and eat that.
Okay, I need to eat my
Ready?
sandwich like a burrito.
Okay, I'll give you 20 seconds to drink a bun eat all. You ready? Wait, that's a lot. That's a lot of candy. You're gonna have such a sugar rush.
Should we just add some extra?
Was it?
Maybe not.
Okay. Okay, come on. You've got 20 seconds and start.
To add.
7.
1 hour later.
Hey guys, I didn't finish all the candy, and do you think I should make a part 2? Let me know in the comments. That's all, folks. See you guys in the next video. Bye! Don't forget to hit that bell. That's all, folks.